In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert air conditioner to smart. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If the particular air conditioner model that you have does not come with smart features, you actually have some methods of converting it into a smart air conditioner. So for this, you will have to purchase additional components. Sadly, it isn't as simple as just using the remote or downloading an application. Generally, the simplest and most cost-effective way to make your AC smart is to use the smart AC adapter. So it is what I'm going to display or show in this video. So this smart AC adapter, or controller as they are called, will allow you to access smart functionalities. So they communicate with the air conditioner using infrared signals just like your regular remote. So you will control your AC to a smartphone application, and often they will integrate into home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. So all that you have to do is purchase any smart air conditioner controller. There are plenty available on places like Amazon and eBay, and when you choose any of these, you will see how they work. You typically plug the smart AC controller into a power outlet, and then you will pair it with your AC unit following the manufacturer's instructions. So once it is paired up with the air conditioner, now this smart unit will be able to control it for you. Depending on which one you buy, it is going to be connected to a mobile app. So like this one from Sensible Sky, you will be able to control it within your smartphone, and it works to make any AC smart. So it is a very cost-effective way to make this change if you don't want to buy a new air conditioner altogether. So look for Sensible Sky, Tado Smart AC Control V3 Plus, Net Atmos Smart AC Controller, and so on. When you find any of these, plug them into the wall and connect them to your AC to turn it into a conventional to a smart AC. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert air conditioner to smart. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.